So we have completed this, right? Displaying the record successfully, right? So in this page, page.customer page, our values are there, right? Using this data transform. So before we are going to do, right, how we are going to achieve using database, how we are going to create data, create a record in database, right? So before going to that, we need to do some error handling, because error handling is one of the important things in Pega. Okay, so let me go to this data transform. So here you can see whenever PY is selected returns true, then only we are copying this page from data page to our page property, right? So whenever it is false, what will happen to this page? Will it hold the existing record, or will it be blank? We never handle that thing, right? So now we'll see how Pega handles this by default. Okay, so I'll give 100 here. Okay, I think I given here always. I think I need to. Okay, I'll just create a new instance. Okay, so I'll give 100 here. When I click on fetch, see it's good. I'll open the clipboard now. Okay, so it's a 2018 thread, right? Yeah, it's 2018 thread. Let me open the py work page. So here you can see the page context. It's our data page. So when I click that, yeah, it's perfect, right? So now what I'll do, I'll change this to 101 and click on fetch. It is changing to new value. What I'll do, I'll just do a refresh here. It is changing to the updated value. Okay, hence it is a single page property. This page is a single page, right? So it will update with the new record. Now, what will happen when I give a record which is not exist in the database? Okay, in UI it is good. What about clipboard then? I'll do this refresh. It is still holding the existing value. So when let me do the new clipboard also to cross check it. Right, so here you can see, right, it is holding existing value. So this is kind of data consistency, right? So to handle this, what we should do here, so before checking this, we need to remove this page. We have a remove thing, right? So we just remove this page and we'll do now. Okay, we'll check this out how it's working. Just close everything. Okay, I'll just enter 100 here. Fetch details, good. 102. Let me open the clipboard. Yeah, so the detail what you entered only is there, right? Other details is not there. When I enter here 101, right? Let's see, I'll refresh this. Here you can see. So this 101 customer ID will have these details. 102 will not have the details, right? So yeah, so we are good. Okay, because we collect, why the customer ID is having, because we collected from customer, right, this value. That's why the customer ID only holds the value. Okay, so this is one kind of thing. We can do it in, you can reset everything to blank. You can reset this also to blank. But the main motto is you need to do error handling properly. It should not show existing record. Whatever we entered, that data should be shown in the UI. That's what the main motto. We can handle it in multiple ways. Okay, coming to the creating a record. So what I'll do, let me open my this one. What I'll do, I have this four properties, right? Let me copy this. This all I need to get from user. So what I'll do, this city, right? I'll take is always Bangalore. Okay, example for our we are doing some hands-on, right? So for every new user, we are saying the city is Bangalore. Okay, so we are going to collect only their ID, name, and email only. Okay, so this scenario will not happen for doing hands-on, right? I'll take this as a scenario. So city always Bangalore for a customer, newly enrolled customer, and name, email, and ID should be collected from user. Okay, for that, what I'll do. So one more thing. So this fetch details, we need to handle this also. With this fetch detail will only there only POS selected is true, correct? When POS selected is false or something, it should not be there, correct? What I'll do a disable condition here. Okay, I will not handle it in client. Let it be in server side itself. So POS selected is false. It never okay. Whenever POS selected is false, then disable this. Just save this, and I'll create a new instance. If it is 100, it's working fine. If it is 102, it is disabled. When I click on fetch, it's disabled. What I should show? I should show a button, right? Create button. Create button with some details. For that, what I'll do, I'll create a dynamic layout. Okay, so this dynamic layout, I'm going to capture details. This will be only enabled, okay, expression when, what is that? When py selector is equal to false. Okay, we'll check this out. Okay, so what we'll do, we will, oh my cursor is, okay, we need to capture, right? So yeah, we need to, sorry, I think I did this. Yeah, so I kept this as expression py selected is equal to false. What I'll do, I'll create a label value. I'll display a label value. Just check it's working on it. Okay, so what is the label value says? Create customer details here. Oh, here. So let it be, will give some fancy. Okay, let it load. Okay, so what and all option we have? Okay, what? Think some issue in the environment, I think. Windows. Just refresh this. Okay, my Wi-Fi. Yes.